Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jamie. I make videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and today I am super excited because I am doing a styling video, and I have not done one in a really long time. Well, it's going to be kind of like styling mixed with tips and tricks, that sort of thing. And even more exciting because I am collabing with my girl Nina. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you guys have seen a lot of videos that we have collabed together. We are so similar. I think if you guys like my videos, you will really love hers. So she's going to be doing the same video on her channel. Make sure you guys go check it out. I'm gonna link it in the description below. Make sure you follow her, make sure you subscribe, follow her on Instagram. She has a great Instagram account. She shares a ton of outfit inspiration and she always inspires me. I always copy her. I always get the stuff that she has because I just love the way she styles things. All of her stuff will be linked below. Done watching this video, make sure you guys go head on over to her channel and check out her video. So today we are both gonna be talking about white t-shirts. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that I love is an understatement, a good white t-shirt. You know that I am all about versatility and getting a lot of wear out of your clothes, and I think a white t-shirt is like the perfect thing for that. I figured it was about time that I do another video about a white t-shirt. I do have one, I think it was last year, I did 10 ways to style a white t-shirt, but today's gonna be a little bit more different. I'm gonna be kind of explaining how to dress up a white t-shirt, tips for styling white t-shirts, and just some outfit inspiration. Also, my style is always evolving just depending on what's trending and just things that I get into. So I feel like my style has changed a little bit since I did that 10 ways to style a white t-shirt. So I'm also using a nicer lens on my camera today. So if you guys see a difference in the quality and you think it looks good, please let me know in the comments below and I'll start using this one more often. But anyways, if you guys want to hear my tips and tricks and see some outfit inspiration when it comes to making a white t-shirt chic, please keep watching. So before I get into the outfits, I wanted to share, I think, my biggest tip for this whole video, and that is to get a clothing steamer. You guys, and it still has this sticker on it that I cannot get off, so ignore that. This is a game changer. If you guys do not have a clothing steamer, you need one, especially if you're into fashion and you're maybe starting a blog, you're doing YouTube, you're showing your outfits all the time. I would definitely recommend that you get a clothing steamer because this has just changed everything for me. And this is obviously a tip for your everyday outfits, clothes you're wearing that need to be ironed or steamed, but more specifically for this video, I wanted to mention it for your white t-shirts, just because we were talking about how to make a white t-shirt chic. It can easily look really sloppy if you have like a wrinkly white t-shirt on. It could easily look very bummy and not chic, what we're going for. So I definitely recommend steaming your white t-shirt. It's gonna totally change your appearance and just change the way the shirt looks. You're gonna look more presentable, and it's just gonna look more stylish, and people are gonna actually see your outfit and not the wrinkles on your shirt. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. This is the Rowenta handheld steamer. It was about $70, but you could use like a coupon because Bed Bath & Beyond always has them. So you definitely need this before you go into any styling because you wanna make sure that the shirt you're styling looks presentable, and a steamer is gonna do that for you guys. So I styled a few outfits for you guys, and I'm gonna try them on and talk through them a little bit different than my other styling videos. I think it'll be really cool to kind of hear why I'm styling pieces this way and just all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get into the outfits. Okay, so for outfit number one, and kind of like one of my tips when it comes to styling a white t-shirt, is to do kind of like an all white moment, just like white denim in a t-shirt. I think is really cool. And also one of my tips for styling like an all white outfit is to add like some type of pop of color, like to add a denim jacket or like a pop of color on my bag, something like that. But for this, I am doing this little pop of color with my scarf, and I think it looks so cute. I also decided to add a little bit of pop of something different with the checkered Vans, and I think they look so cute. It's a print, but it's still like really neutral and works really well with the outfit. So yeah, that is outfit number one and my tips for styling an all white look with a white t-shirt. Okay, so my next tip for styling a white t-shirt is to layer gold jewelry. And right now I am so into layering a bunch of gold necklaces, wearing gold earrings, bracelets, rings. I just think it is so fun, and I love the style that it adds to your outfit. It's a very timeless look, but at the same time it's really trendy right now. So all of these charms are from Miranda Fry. I love them. They have the cutest charms. I'm gonna link it below so you guys can check it out. I have this longer one that I think is super cute. It's a nativity charm, and this is a 24-inch chain. And then I have this one that's a 20-inch chain. This is a Hope charm. And then I have their Zion charm on an 18-inch chain. So also have some rings on and some bracelets. And I also have on these gold hoops that are a little bit thicker than normal gold hoops, so they're a little bit more bold and they stand out a little bit more because I am wearing that basic t-shirt. I wanted them to be a little bit more of a statement rather than just like a thin pair of gold hoops. So these are from H&M, and these are another pair that I wear all the time, but I think everything looks really cute together, and I wanted to keep it really simple and vintage Levi's shorts. I really like how this looks. It's just like kind of like a light wash denim with the white and the gold. It's like very summery but still really classic. I just love it so much. So this is like my ideal outfit. I wear this like all the time. I love this style, but I just wanted to keep this really simple and just show you guys how much gold jewelry can change your look. Also, if you wanted to make it really trendy, you could add this fanny pack, and I think this looks super cute. Kind of adds another little statement to your outfit, another little accessory. That is another one of my tips. Definitely adding accessories and layering gold jewelry to your white t-shirts can totally change the game. My final tip is to layer your white t-shirt with a tank top or a dress. So a tank top dress mainly like this. So you can see I kept everything exactly the same here. I just threw over this dress and it completely changed the whole look. It's a super 90s vibe and I think it's really cool. So you could easily wear this dress with like wedges and dress it up and wear it to church, wear it to a barbecue, whatever you're doing. But I think that's just really predictable. So I love to do something kind of like a little bit out of the box. I mean, I like that style too, but this is just like a little bit more of a cool way to style this dress and not as predictable, like I said. It's a little bit more of like an LA cool girl vibe. It might not be everyone's style, but I think it's really cool. But one way that you need to be careful when styling a look like this, I would not wear this dress with this t-shirt if this dress was a completely long maxi dress. I like that this is a midi dress, so it kind of like shows a little ankle and it's like a little bit more stylish. I think maxi dresses are a little bit like predictable, like I've been saying, and this is just something a little bit different and also really nice for summer because it's airy, it's not too long. I'm just giving you guys this inspiration, you know, as an example, and you could style it in your own way. You don't need these exact pieces to do this look. I think it's something that you can channel in a bunch of different ways. So that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you got some outfit inspiration from it, and I hope you're inspired to style a white t-shirt. Just know that if I ever come out with a clothing brand, there will definitely be tons of really great white t-shirts. Just saying. So let me know which outfit was your favorite in the comments. I would love to hear. So if you guys like this style of video, please give me a thumbs up, and even let me know in the comments maybe if you have any requests for other things that you want to see style in this way. I would like to do kind of like a basics series just because I love those versatile basic pieces, like I said. So maybe if you want to see another piece styled like sneakers or jeans, something basic like that, just maybe a black t-shirt, whatever you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to do another video just like this for you guys. So now that you're done with this video, make sure you guys go check out Nina's video, subscribe, follow her, and while you're at it, maybe follow me on Instagram as well. Also, another little update, my Forever 21 first impression haul that you guys wanted to see is coming not next week, but the week after that. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be doing a unboxing of first impression of a Forever 21 online order. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it, and even turn on your post notifications so you guys really don't miss it. It'll notify you every single time I upload a video so you guys never miss anything. So I will see you guys next week. Bye.